Well, this is a new era that seems to be ushered in on part of the BJP there. Live pictures that are now coming in from the Jhandewala Mandir in Delhi, where you can see Nitin Nabin, who will officially now be announced as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, is now seeking blessings. And ahead of this day that is now coming across as this generational shift is now taking place, as far as the Nabin era is now set to begin for the BJP with the youngest ever president. So as the old as the party is, well, Nitin Nabin is also around 45 years of age, and he's now been touted to hold the youngest to be holding this all-important post, and is now being seen as a generational shift in the party's leadership. So let's get a live update from Shivam now. Shivam, good morning. Pictures coming in from Jhandewala Mandir. We are told that the BJP headquarters is also all decked up to welcome him.
Exactly, Amita. In fact, we are just present outside the Jhandewala temple, and you will see right now also the cavalcade just leaving. Nitin Nabin was here for almost 15 minutes. He was being accompanied by the Delhi BJP President Viren Sachdeva and the Water Minister of the National Capital, Parvesh Verma. He offered his, he seeks the blessings of Jhandewala Mata from here, and now he is going towards the Valmiki temple. From there, he will go towards the Bangla Sahib Gurdwara and the Hanuman Mandir as well. As you rightly mentioned, this is again the start of an era of the Nabin era, where the BJP is trying to focus on the young generation. He is 45 years old. We have seen how recently BJP has given new faces, has given charge to people who are currently young. He is currently the working president, and today at 11:30 he is supposed to take charge at the BJP headquarters, and it is said that he will take it in the presence of other senior dignitaries in the BJP as well. Today he joins the rank of the other stalwarts of the BJP like Murli Manohar Joshi, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, and also the outgoing president JP Nadda as well. So
as there are no other candidates in the fray, and as far as the selection of Nitin Nabin to the top post is now concerned, we are looking at a blend of youth and experience. As celebrations that are also taking place at the BJP headquarters, Nitin Nabin all set to take charge as the party's national president, and he's going to be the 12th president of the party. And Mohit, good morning. We are also getting to know that the Prime Minister is also expected to attend the event, and this is as far as the blessings that he's just sought from Jhandewala Mandir. And what Shivam is saying, that he will be also going across to different religious sites seeking blessings before taking over the charge.
Yes. Well, first of all, I show you the visuals around over here. Now it's all festive mood outside the BJP headquarters. You can see dhol, traditional dance, and band have come over here. They are playing the band, and as of now, it's a complete festive mood here at the BJP. Now in the morning, Nitin Nabin will be going to Jhandewala temple, where he has just reposted that he will be going to Valmiki Mandir, then at Hanuman Mandir, and after that Gurdwara Bangla Sahib. So you can see these visuals that how celebrations have begun for the new era of Bharatiya Janata Party, given the fact that now this is a generational shift of the Bharatiya Janata Party, where the young BJP president will take charge today in presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, former BJP president, and we can say that former BJP president JP Nadda, Rajnath Singh, and all the top wigs of the Bharatiya Janata Party, chief ministers of BJP group, say they all will be here. Look at the visuals over here. I show the other side around that how exactly the BJP is being decorated as of now by the BJP workers. At around 11:30, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other senior leaders of the BJP will be coming over here, and then Nitin Nabin will take charge as the next president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now BJP has turned 45, and Nitin Nabin is also 45, and this is seen as BJP's tactic to reach out to the Gen Z voter, reach out to the millennial voters, because important elections are coming in some time from now, for a few months from now, of Tamil Nadu, of Kerala, Assam, West Bengal. Next year you have Punjab elections, you have the other important elections, where it will be the real test of Nitin Nabin's leadership. But then when it comes to today is a big day. Now a man who is 45 years of age will be taking charge as the next president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and with him would be the top leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The program will start at 11:30 and it will go on till 1:30. But what we see is that celebration all around. I'll ask my camera person again to show these visuals that how exactly the Bharatiya Janata Party's headquarters is completely decked up. And after today, after he takes charge today as the next BJP president, his work will start. We see the celebration going on over here. Everywhere you will see the flags of the BJP being pointed over here. So you see, this is also very important given the fact that how the Bengal elections, the Tamil Nadu elections, the Kerala elections are just round the corner, and that will be the real test for the leadership of Nitin Nabin. Nitin Nabin has an experience. He is young, he is fresh, he has worked with the organization, he has been the Chhattisgarh co-in-charge, he has overseen the elections of Sikkim. So he is somebody who has the experience. He has been a five-time member of Legislative Assembly. But then it all comes down to today when he will take charge as the next president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And you can see that how, due to the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the security has been completely beefed up here at the BJP headquarters. But as my camera person Mohan was showing you, the celebrations have already begun, and shortly from now, the BJP leaders, all the chief ministers, state president, they all be coming here at the BJP headquarters. We'll try to speak to the people what exactly they have to say on this particular day, which is a very, very important day. And we'll speak to people. Sir, क्या कहेंगे? आज एक बड़ा दिन है, आप लोग व्यवस्था में लगे हैं, कैसी तैयारी है, क्या कहेंगे?
कितना बड़ा दिन है? बहुत बड़ा दिन है और हमें सौभाग्य कि हमें व्यवस्था में हमें टाइम मिला, मतलब मौका मिला सेवा करने का, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. बाकी मैं और आपको करवाता हूँ.
So there you see, people are going inside. And they say that today is a big day. Now, yesterday we saw in the nomination of Nitin Nabin, Home Minister Amit Shah, JP Nadda, Kiran Rijiju, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and the top leadership of BJP was present. And that was the message, that outside you are the minister, the top ministers of the country, but when you come at the BJP office, you are like a karyakarta, and the chief over here is the party president. And today also we will see those scenes when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will reach over here. There will be a felicitation program at the main courtyard of BJP office, and post that at 5th floor we will see Nitin Nabin taking charge as the next president of the BJP in presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the top leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party. Back to in studio.
All right, so the BJP headquarters is all decked up. You can see the excitement is visible. There is dhol nagade outside. But as far as Nitin Nabin is concerned, he has been on a temple run. Thereafter, he will be going to other places of religious importance, thereafter seeking blessings, and then he will be officially taking charge, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to arrive at the BJP headquarters there. Generational shift that is now being pointed out as far as the youngest individual who is taking over this position as the 12th president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And Mohit, because as far as when it comes to the election process, the pictures that came in yesterday while the nomination was also being filed, all of the previous presidents of the BJP and now important positions that they themselves have been holding, those pictures also came in. You could see Rajnath Singh, you could see Amit Shah, you could see Nitin Gadkari, all of them together in the same frame, and also JP Nadda.
Well, and Amita, that is very important. Nitin Nabin has some experience, but he's very young. And he has with him the experience of Home Minister Amit Shah. He has with him the expertise of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. He has with him the charisma of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take the party forward. And he has people to hold his hand and work for the organization. And the work has already started. Now, if you remember, Nitin Nabin went to Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. He held meetings over there after he was announced as the next working president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself is looking into the election campaigns of Assam and West Bengal. Home Minister Amit Shah is continuously visiting Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So the BJP works as a team. And that is why it's very important to point out, while Nitin Nabin has experience of organization, he is somebody who has rose up to the level of the BJP president from a ground karyakarta, a ground worker, but he also has the expertise of Home Minister Amit Shah, the Chanakya of Bharatiya Janata Party, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and other top leadership of the BJP to help him, to guide him, and that is why his induction becomes very, very important. Now, if we talk about today's program, the time slot, Amita, that has been fixed for the program is around 11:30 to 1:30. In these 2 hours, Prime Minister would be coming over here. The top leadership of the BJP would be here. All the BJP rule chief ministers, state presidents, general secretaries would be here, and there will be a felicitation program at the main courtyard of Bharatiya Janata Party's office. And then we could also expect speech from the Prime Minister. And if Prime Minister speaks on today's occasion, that will be a speech that everybody would be looking forward to, because it's a generational shift within the BJP. Now, Amita, yesterday I was speaking to many leaders of the BJP.
Yeah.
They say that the next generation, that is the millennial or the Gen Z, they are looking up to Prime Minister Narendra Modi as their leader. So you need somebody who can relate with their ideas. You need somebody who can also, and you need somebody who Gen Z can also relate to in terms of the political party's ideology or the working style, and hence it's very important that how a 45-year-old Nitin Nabin has been given charge.
Well, as old as the party, as the new president will be taking over, and Nitin Nabin will be leading the party for the upcoming assembly elections that would be taking place in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam, and all of these developments are something that would be posing as a big challenge that the BJP now sees is ready to take on as far as the election season is concerned. So in a short while from now, Nitin Nabin is expected to reach the party headquarters as well. All of the programs that would be taking place as one of the biggest political parties there will be keeping our viewers updated. Mohit, thank you very much for that live update that we are getting from the national capital. In the meantime, we head into a short break.